Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Breeze Hill Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Coyotes. I've been here numerous times in the past. This is my first visit, though, of 2024, 2025. Got to speak to all the AM, PM after school students and staff right here in this NPR room. And the topic was what you see on the screen today, compassion, with the sub-theme being one life at a time. And what's always amazing to me is when we think about kindness, when we think about compassion, acts of kindness, we know that, just one of them, maybe that takes 2 seconds, can change a heart forever, right? And even though it may require just a little bit of effort to show this compassion, it could have a huge impact, right? Not just on the person that we do it towards. It feels good for ourselves as well, but that act of kindness, that act of compassion could just keep spreading, and that, we do something nice for somebody and then they do something nice for somebody else and just keeps going. And so, to know that we have this opportunity each and every day, there's always going to be moments, if we're looking for them, if our hearts are open enough to these possibilities, that, maybe we can really try to show this, right? And yes, we have bad days. Yes, we're going through things in our hearts that might make us kind of struggle a little bit to want to be nice. Might be easier, to be rude, to be mean, to push some of that pain onto someone else. But true leaders, they still have a choice, and they know they have a choice. And the students here really took that to heart, right? That we always have this ability that if we want it bad enough, that we're going to overcome these hurdles, these difficulties, these challenges that we're definitely going to face as human beings, right? We're all going to go through something, maybe will in the future, but we still have this decision to make, right? And it's daily. Sometimes it's minute by minute, sometimes it's hour by hour. And to know that I only had, about 45 minutes with these students today and teachers, but was still able to touch a lot of hearts, that gives so many of us hope, right? That if I can do that in under an hour, right? Think about the difference you make in someone's life over the rest of this school year and beyond. If you truly try to invest in others, right? Invest in their happiness, that it's not just about yourself, but it's about looking for people in need, right? It could be something as simple as, they got their hands full, you're holding the door for them. It could be, they fall down or drop something, you help pick them up or help pick that item up. Or it could be something deeper, that maybe one of your friends has gone through some type of loss, right? It could be a person in their life, could be a pet, which is like family. It could be that they just had to move to this new state or from a different country, or, they're going through some issues on bullying, right? Maybe there's someone that's teasing them a lot, and so to know that, yes, we can do something very minor, or we can just listen with our hearts, right? We got 2 ears and 1 mouth for a reason. But I think that's the chance that so many of us take, is that, we might show that kindness, we might be compassionate, have that empathy for someone else, kind of put ourselves in their shoes, and it might not change anything, or at least you might not think that it does, right? Sometimes you don't always see the outside effects of what we do for someone else, but I guarantee that person or persons will never forget that act of kindness, right? They're never gonna forget that action of compassion. So that's why we do it. That's why we keep pushing, we keep striving every day to be our best, to do our best. And part of that is showing that respect, right, to ourselves and others, and really showing that compassion, knowing that we can change this world one act, one word, one life at a time. So thanks for touching my heart. I'll see you again in a few months. Until then, have a great school year. And as always, if you'd like to, feel free to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.